In Seoul, it's been hot and humid as usual this time of the year. For some relief, why not take a trip to a nearby cave? Now, the only cave in Seoul metropolitan area is Gwangmyeong Cave. The cool air inside makes it a top attraction during summer. Now, there are lots of exhibitions and even events held inside too, so to keep it interesting all year round. Hello, I'm Michelle Park here with the latest weather update. The monsoon front will continue to attract the southern provinces of the country, especially late tonight. Now, the southern coast will get soaked by possibly more than 250 millimeters of rain until tomorrow. Now, because of the monsoon front, the nation will have rain or clouds tomorrow. Now, Seoul can expect isolated showers as well, so I advise you to have your umbrellas wherever you go. And checking out the readings for tomorrow, it'll be similar to today in the mornings. Seoul waking up to 23 degrees Celsius. And Seoul and Chuncheon should prepare for some high heat in the afternoon at 34 degrees Celsius. While in places with continuous rain, it'll be mostly linger in the mid to high 20s. Typhoon Danas is making its way closer to the peninsula with wind and rain that'll make it steamy in parts of the nation. And the typhoon is expected to dissipate out towards the East Sea by the weekend. But until it passes completely, we should stay alert because it could make a detour. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.